Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna do a review about the LG KS360. Let's take a look. There we found the camera button, the volume buttons, the button for quit the back cover, micro SD card slot up to 4 GB, and the charger and headphones connector from LG. Okay, at the back we found the camera with 2 megapixel, the model of the LG KS360, and the orange network operator. Sorry because it's a bit used. Okay, let's turn it on. First of all, I have to say that this cell phone is very rare because, as you can see, it has touch panel, resistive touch, 2.4 inches, screen TFT, 256K colors. So let's take a look. The touch screen doesn't work. Why? Because it was only made for that dialogue, only for write the numbers and make a call. Only for that it runs the touch screen. So very unuseful. As you can see, there's the QWERTY keyboard, very completely, very cool in my opinion. There's the LG KS360. Okay, what we found on the main menu: some games, contacts, gallery, multimedia gallery, messages, online music from Orange Network, Orange World, that is internet navigation, settings, car register, camera, organizer. There we found calendar, other things, profiles, and more. Let's take a look at the ringtones. Okay, that was all about the ringtones. Let's hear the message tones. And now take a look about the tones of the phone. Yeah. And the start up and turn off both sounds. Okay, what's more inside this cell phone? So you can see different modes: normal, silent, vibration only. Okay, what we found at the gallery. The original wallpaper, sorry, because they are from the Orange network that provided the phone. But that are some examples how it works. You can see there that we have the gallery, but with other orientation. We can take a look at the main menu like this. Okay, what we found: the organizer, calendar, alarm, notes, voice recorder. What's more? At the settings, let's take a look. At connectivity, it has Bluetooth 2.0. The languages. Okay. Settings from the display. Security, other things. Let's take a look at the camera. It also records video. There you have the camera. This is my example. As you can see, this phone is rare because it has the camera button at this side, not like every phone there. So you have to take pictures like this. Okay, could be. This is an example. As I told you, it has 2 megapixel camera. There you can read it, 2.0. Yeah. Okay, what's more? The camera recorder. Also, there you have the SIS. It records video. Okay. At last, at the main menu, at extras, what we found: calculator, stopwatch, word clock, and unit converter. So there is LG KS360. Very rare because it has only the touch display for the dialogue. For nothing much. With its QWERTY keyboard. Please subscribe, like this video, and see you soon in the next videos. Bye bye.